Everybody, this is Jason from Iron Mission, and thanks for being here. It is freezing outside. We just had like 8 inches of snow in the Chicagoland area. It's snowing right now. But I thought, to cheer us all up, let's talk about cool things that you might want to consider asking for when it comes to gift ideas for us motorcycle people. Let's go take a look. And it's called Wander Around the Garage and talk about some interesting things. If you don't already have one, how about a battery tender? This is the Harley-Davidson brand. I like it quite a bit. It does its job. I only have one, and I use it for all 4 bikes, but it is absolutely awesome. It's got the green light on there now, showing that the bike is fully charged. It's red when it's not, and I just alternate that between all the different motorcycles. Seems to work out just fine. The other thing that I would certainly consider when it comes to gift ideas for this 2025, heated gloves. These things are absolutely awesome. My wife uses them. I've got heated grips on both of the bikes that I ride, but these things here, you press this button. They're not charged up right now, but these are really, really nice. They're gauntlet style gloves. They keep her hands warm. She does not have heated grips, and so when we're out and about, these things will last hours and hours. And by the way, I will put Amazon affiliate links down in the description for the actual brands that we buy. I won't be able to do that for the battery tender just because it's a Harley one. Go to a Harley store. It costs like 30 bucks. These, not all that expensive. Definitely well worth it. Another idea would be like a heated vest. I don't have that with me right now. I'll put that link down in the description. Very great idea. Next thing to consider would be this, and this is awesome. If you've got the type of bag, or the type of bike, I should say, that could use a tank bag like this Pan America. These Rhino Walks are absolutely outstanding. They are heavy duty. They wrap around, at least mine's wrapped around the front, and then the straps go around the seat over here. They actually have lots and lots and lots of pockets, and they're very expandable, lots of places to keep things. Very cool. They have a bladder bag inside, so I think it's like a liter and a half with a straw, so you can drink lots of water when you are riding. Looks pretty good. It's been very durable. My buddy's got one on his Pan America. He's got thousands and thousands of miles on his Rhino Walk bag. Loves it. No complaints. Next thing to consider is right here, and that is the Quad Lock. I have done videos on these before. Absolutely awesome. Clicks in just like that. When you want to take it off, you take it off just like that. Again, a really nice phone holder. We have had these things for thousands and thousands of miles. They're on every single bike that we own, and they are amazing. Yes, I like to mount them backwards because that's just the way I like to. When I grab the phone, I like to just be able to press my thumb and turn, and they are really, really cool. All right, next thing to consider if you are looking for an interesting Christmas gift, that's one of these bad boys. And I always carry this, as you just saw. I took it out of my saddlebag here. And this is a tire inflator. Now, the tire inflator is not going to do a lot of good unless you've got a plug system. Let me go ahead and open this up real quick. So here we go. This is the one that I have. It is heavy duty. Thankfully, we've never needed to use it in an emergency. I have used it just to bring up our tires to proper pressure, but I haven't had to use it because we've got a flat. The other thing in my mess that we've got going on down here is, of course, let me get it, this bad boy here. I'm going to go ahead and take this over to the side table because you're going to want to see it a little bit better. This has come in super, super handy. I cannot stress it enough. This thing has been, I talk about essential toolkit. Yeah, we have used this thing numerous times on multiple road trips. I've used it on my bike. Let me go ahead and get this thing out. And this is basically everything you get, and it folds up nice and tightly, but zip ties, these have come in so, so handy. The hex keys, all of these things have been used multiple times when we've been on long road trips. This is probably, if I had to pick anything out of what I'm talking about today, this would be number one. Definitely worth having. And finally, why not one of these bad boys? They're a little pricey. Of all the things we're talking about today, the Cardo units are the priciest, but once you start using comms with you and your buddy, or even by yourself just to get your phone calls, listen to music without having the rest of the world listen to your music, these things are, you probably won't ride without them once you start riding with them. All right, everybody, so those are just a few gift ideas for the motorcyclist in your life. And like I said, obviously, most of you watching this, you're the motorcycle people. Don't be afraid to ask for these things from your loved ones. They are going to give you lots of enjoyment when you are riding your bike next season. As always, thank you so much for being here. Stay safe, everybody, and stay warm as well. We'll see you next week.